Hello, good afternoon. Hi, Nguyen. Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Good afternoon.
All right. How are you?
Happy. Oh, I don't see you.
Oh, you don't see me. Is it okay if I will just turn off my camera because it's so dark and we don't have electricity like this? Is that fine with you? Is it okay if you will see me like this? All right. Okay. So anyway, let's look at your book, Nguyen. So this time we are still in unit 7.1, activity 2. So we're going to look and write. So what's number 1, Uyen? There is a rubber
Why is it proper
on the mat.
on the map?
Okay. Now what about number 2? There are,
There are there are some
where are the pencils?
there
They are,
there
is it in front of, next to, or under?
hmm,
We have under the chair. Okay, now look. Where is the teacher?
here.
Yes, right here. But, okay. Now look, this is the board. All right. Now, where is the teacher? The teacher is
Next to
where?
next
That's
to
right. Very good. Next to the board. Okay. Now look, what about the mouse? Look at your mouse. Where is your mouse? It is? Yes, it's on your hand. Very good, Uyen. Okay. Now this time, Uyen, we're going to have a game. Are you ready to have a game?
yes. Game.
Nice. Okay, so
Game.
it's all about where is Leo. Now look, let's see who is Leo. Now look at this one. But where is Leo? Leo is, okay, this is an example. Where is Leo? Leo is on the table.
On
All
the
right.
table.
Now look, where is Leo? Leo is,
Mm,
where's Leo? Look, what's this one? Is it on, under, next to, or in front of?
In front of.
Hmm. Okay, Leo is under the table. Now look, this is my hand. Okay, so when we say under, it's right here. My phone is under my hand. When we say on, my phone is on my hand. When we say next to, my phone is next to my hand. When we say in front of, like that, in front of my hand. All right? Okay, again, we have under, on, next to, and in front of. Okay, Nguyen? Great. Now, look at this one. Where is Leo? Where is Leo? Leo is,
Is
what's that? It is it on, under, in front
under
of, or next to?
in front.
Very good. Wow. Okay, one more. Leo is in front of the drawers. Okay, one more, Nguyen. Leo is
This is in front of
the drawers.
the drawers.
Very good. Okay, now look. Wow. Where is Leo now? Where is
Leo.
Leo now?
Leo is
He is Is it next to, behind, in front of, on,
next
or under?
to.
Next to, let's check. Ta-da-da-dang, ta-dang. That's behind. Okay, behind means at the back. Like for example, look, the blackboard or the board is behind teacher AM. Now, look, Leo is behind the drawers. Okay, now when we say next to, it's right here. But since Leo is hiding, that means behind. Okay? All right. Now, what about this one? Look, where is Leo now? Leo is
Leo is
all right. Is what's that? He's here. Is it in front of, next to, behind, on, or under?
under.
Under. Okay, try again. Look,
Next
Leo is
to.
right here. What's that?
Next to.
Very good. So what will you say? Leo is
Next to the
garage.
garage. Oh, I see a
Very
house.
good. Good. Yes. This is a house actually. But the house has a garage. Now, what is a garage? A garage is where we park our car. Okay. So this is a garage where we put our car. All right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have a garage?
Garage.
Yes or no?
No.
That's all right. So, Nguyen, take always remember that a garage is a part of the house. Okay? Yes. Some houses have garage and some houses don't. Okay, so not all houses have garage. Now look, Look at Leo. Wow. Where is Leo now? Leo is
Leo is
it's right here. What's that? Is it in, on, between, behind,
Be-
under, or in front
between
of? Very good. So what will you say?
between.
One more. Leo is
Leo is between the bin and the chair.
well done. Give me a high five, Kuyan. Very good. Okay. So for this time, I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3 stars. Very good. Okay, now you try, Nguyen. Okay, look. Where is Leo?
Oh. Leo is on the desk.
Very good. Okay, desk or drawers, that's fine. Okay, now what about this? Look, where is Leo?
Oh. Leo is
What's that?
under the chair.
Well done. Okay, so you've got 2 stars. Okay, what about this one? Where is Leo?
Oh no.
Can you see Leo?
No. Yes.
Very good. Now, where is it?
Behind.
Leo is
Behind the
is it in
closet.
front of, behind, next to, under, on, or between?
Behind
Behind. So what will you say? Leo is
behind the
wardrobe.
wardrobe.
Very good. One more time. Leo is behind the wardrobe. One more, Nguyen.
Leo is be, behind the door closet.
Closet. Very good. Yes, that is also a closet. Very good. Okay. Have you got a closet? Wow,
Here,
nice. How many closets do you have?
3. And for me and for my grandpa and for my daddy and mommy.
Wow, very good,
3.
Nguyen. So yes, nice. So for that, I'm gonna give you 2 stars. Okay, now look. Oh, where is Leo now? You can do it. Leo is
Next to
try again. Next to is right here. How about this one?
in front of
Very good. So what will you say? Leo is
Leo is in front of the Thousand. Wardrobe. Wardrobe.
Okay, one more, Nguyen. Wardrobe.
Wardrobe.
Very good. Okay, now look. Wow, what can you see?
The sun side.
A sun. Very good. What else?
Flowers.
Flowers. Nice. Okay, now, wow, we can see Leo again. Now, where is Leo?
Oh no.
Where is Leo? What will you say? Leo is,
No. Is
what's that? Okay, look. Leo is
in the right.
one more. In the garden.
The garden.
Okay, one more time. Leo is in the garden.
Is in the garden.
Very good. So, Nguyen, we use in if something is inside of one thing. All right?
Yes.
Now, just like this one. Look.
Like
Oh,
this?
let me see. Like this one. Look, I have a box. I also have a paper in here.
I
Okay, I'm
have.
gonna put the paper. Now, where is the paper? The paper is in the box. All right, Nguyen?
Here.
Okay, now, wow, what's that?
Uh,
What's that? Is that a remote control? Yes, that's a remote control. You say remote control.
in
One more, remote
the
control.
control.
Very good. So that is for you to control your toy. Is that for your toy robot?
Yes.
Wow. That
Double.
very good, Nguyen. Okay.
Double.
Car robot. That's wonderful. Thank you for sharing that one, Nguyen. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 1 star for showing that. Great. Okay. Now, Nguyen, look. Wow. It is a bedroom. Okay. Now, look. Let's see who's here. There's Leo again.
Oh no.
Where is Leo now?
Oh.
Leo is
Leo is
what that? What is between the bed and the chair? Now your turn.
between the bed and a chair.
Very good. Okay. Now what about, wow, finally we are done. Okay. But now let's learn more. Are you ready?
Whee!
Do you want to learn or play another game?
Like it.
Play a game. Okay. So I have a game in here. Wait a minute, Nguyen.
Have you ate a chicken?
Look, I have the box. Wow. Look what's inside the box. What is it?
A cat.
Okay, now tell me, where is the cat?
Oh, oh.
The cat is Where is the cat? Look. Oh, I'm gonna get the cat from the box. Okay. So I only have the cat in here. Now, here's the box, Nguyen, an empty box. Look. Look, Nguyen. Okay, now I'm gonna put the cat here. Where is the cat? Meow. The cat is. Look, where is the cat?
Oh,
The cat is in the box. Very good. Okay, now look. What is it? It's a boy. Now I'm gonna put the boy here. Where is the boy?
The boy is in the box.
Very good, Nguyen. Wow. Okay. Now look. What is this?
No, no more game.
No more game. Okay, now let's learn. Are you ready to learn? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Great. Okay. Wow, look. There are many children. Now let's count. How many students are there? We have 1, 2, 3. Let's count, Nguyen. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, how many students? There are,
So four.
yes, there are 7. What are their names? We have, what are their names? We have Sam, Gray. Who's this?
Ben.
Very good. What about this one? Who is she?
Anna.
She is Anna. Who is he? He is
Dean.
very good. What about this girl? What's her name?
Pat.
She is Pat. And lastly, who's this?
Alex.
Well done. Okay. Now this time, I want you
A
to look at
picture.
Alex. Okay.
A picture.
Yes. Yes, Nguyen?
Yeah.
Okay, now look and answer. What's Alex doing? Is he reading a book? Is he writing on the board? Is he sitting on a mat? Picking up a pencil? Walking into the classroom?
Pencil.
Yes. Now say it with me. He is
He is
picking the pencil.
picking the pencil.
Very good. Okay, now what about Grace? What's Grace doing here? Look, what's Grace doing? Grace is, what's Grace doing? Grace is
Where is
writing on the board.
on the board?
Very good. Now, what about Anna? What's Anna doing? Look, Your turn, Nguyen. Anna is
Anna is
what's that? She's eating a what is she eating? What is this? Okay, one more. Say it with me. She's eating a banana.
banana.
Very good. Do you like eating a banana?
Yeah.
Very good, Nguyen. Okay, now last one, Nguyen. Okay, who is reading a book? Who is reading a book?
Babe.
Who? Yes, it's Van. Give me a high five.
True.
Very good. So you've got 1, 2, 3 stars. Okay. Now this time, Nguyen, let's look and read. Okay, now there are, let's read. There are, let's read. There are a lot of rubbers on this desk, and there are some pencils. Yes, and there are lots of rulers in this bag. Okay, now listen carefully, Nguyen. We use a lot of to say that you've got many of those things. Okay? Like, for example, I have a lot of money. Okay, that means I have plenty of money. But that's only an example. That's not true. Now, look, we have here some. That means few, just few of something. Okay, like for example, I have some phones. That means I've only have 2 phones. That means some.
I
All
have
right.
1 phone.
Wow. If it's only one, then you can say, I have a phone.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Where, wow,
Have
very good, Nguyen.
fun.
Oh, nice, Nguyen. Thank you for showing. Oh, that's an iPad. That's not a phone. Okay,
Yeah.
great, Nguyen. Thank you so much for showing your iPad, Nguyen. So I hope you learned something. Bye-bye, Nguyen. Bye.